Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You're getting started. First, make sure your Nothing Phone 3A has at least 20% battery and system updates applied so NFC runs reliably. Open Settings, tap Connected Devices, then toggle NFC on. This enables the hardware and Android services. Once done, position the NFC tag or card near the phone's rear center. Hold it steady within about 2 centimeters so the antenna can read. You're now ready to interact. Next, we'll configure specific tag actions and payment settings. You'll now create the action. Open an NFC app like Tag Writer or the phone's built-in tool to write a URL, contact card, or automation profile to a tag. When writing, choose Quick Actions so the phone executes immediately on tap. Keep payloads small for reliability. For contactless payments, make sure you set your default payment app in Settings Apps Default Apps Tap and Pay. Once configured, test using a blank tag or a saved card and observe that the phone responds within a second. You're finishing up. Secure the NFC tag where you want it and verify the written action by tapping the phone to the tag a few times. If the phone doesn't respond, make sure NFC is still enabled, verify the app has permission to write and read, and restart the device to reload services. If problems persist, reformat or rewrite the tag, or test with a different tag to determine whether the issue is the tag or the phone. One quick restart usually fixes service glitches.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.